Unit 1 force, actually gravitation, Guruत्वाकर्षण ball. Main objectives of this lesson are as follows: Newton's universal law of gravitation and proof, relation between force and mass, directly proportional, force and distance inversely proportional, numerical related to force, how to find force, find mass, find distance, small g, capital G, etc. Logical answers, state scientific reasons, effects of gravitational force. There are so many effects of gravitational force. Differences between small g, capital G, mass and weight, weightlessness and free fall, gravity and gravitation, etc. Here, some answers are as follows. Question number 1. Mention some effects or consequences of gravitational force. गुरुत्वाकर्षण बलले गर्दा हुने असरहरू के हुन्, अर्थात् ग्राभिटेसनल फोर्सले के इफेक्ट गर्छ, असर गर्छ त. Some effects of gravitational force are mentioned below. Number 1. Tides occur on seas and oceans due to the gravitational force. Number 2. Existence of solar system and galaxies. If there is no gravitational force, the solar system and galaxies, constellations don't occur. Number 3. Snowfall and rainfall occur on the earth due to the gravitational force of the earth. It means if there is no force of the earth, there is no snowfall, no rainfall, and other climatic conditions don't occur, and it badly affects our life. There will be no life. IV. Satellites revolve around the earth due to the gravitational force between them. Here, them means earth and satellites. The earth pulls the satellites towards it, but the satellites want to go away from them. So, the satellites go on revolving around the earth. नेपाली, अर्थले स्याटेलाइटलाई आफूतिर तान्छ, स्याटेलाइट टाढा भाग्न खोज्छ, जसले गर्दा त्यो सेन्टिपिटल फोर्स र सेन्ट्रिफ्युगल फोर्स इक्वल एन्ड अपोजिट हुन्छ, ब्यालेन्स हुन्छ र घुमिरहन्छ. नम्बर बी. प्लानेट्स रिभल्भ राउन्ड द सन between due to the gravitational force between them. That means the sun pulls all the planets towards it due to centripetal force, but the planets tend to go away from them. Planets, while revolving, planets want to go away, centrifugal force, but the sun pulls all the planets towards the center, centripetal force. नेपालीमा सनले प्लानेटलाई आफूतिर तान्न खोज्छ, तर प्लानेटहरू टाढा टाढा भाग्न खोज्छन्. सेन्ट्रिपिटल फोर्स and centrifugal force are equal and opposite. Therefore, planets go on revolving around the sun. If there is no gravitational force, the planets will go either go away from the sun or towards the sun, and there will be no life. Question number 2. State Newton's universal law of gravitation and prove that F equals G m1 m2 by d square Another short question is, why is it called universal? State Newton's universal law of gravitation and prove that F equals G m1 m2 by d square. Why is this called universal? Solution. Let's draw the diagram as this. Small d, mass m2, mass m1. See, first of all, you show the relationship between force and mass, product of masses, and relationship between force and distance. Newton's universal law of gravitation states that the force of attraction between two bodies is directly proportional. Here between two bodies means any two bodies, directly proportional to the product of their masses m1 and m2, and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their centers. What is the meaning? The meaning is this. Force is directly proportional to the product of their masses m1 m2. Force depends upon the product of masses. If the product is more, force is more. Product is less, force is less. Direct relationship between force and mass. Force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. It means when distance increases, force decreases square times. When distance decreases, force increases. In Nepali, force 2 times बढ्यो अथवा distance 2 times बढ्यो भने force 4 times घट्छ. Distance 3 times घट्यो भने force 9 times बढ्छ. Less distance, more force. More distance, less force. Combining the two equations, you get m1 m2 by d square, or F equals G m1 m2 by d square. See, remove this sign G, write down G m1 m2 by d square, where G is universal gravitational constant. Universal gravitational constant. See, Newton's universal law of gravitation states that the force of attraction between any two bodies in the universe is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Relationship between force and masses, force and distance. Combining equations 1 and 2, F varies as m1 m2 by d square, or F equal G, यो साइनलाई हटाएर capital G m1 m2 by d square, where capital G is the universal gravitational constant. And this capital G is called universal gravitational constant. Why? See, what is the reason behind it? Well, capital G is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Actually, the value of capital G is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. And it is called, it is means Newton's law of gravitation. It is called universal, as it can be applied, to all objects in the universe, irrespective of their masses. Whether masses are big or small, this law can be applied to all objects in the universe. संसारभरिको मात्रै होइन, ब्रह्माण्डको कुनै पनि दुईटा वस्तुहरूको बिचमा यो नियम लागू हुन्छ. It can be applied to all objects in the universe. So it is called universal. युनिभर्सको सबै ठाउँमा अप्लाई हुने भएको हुनाले यसको नाम चाहिँ युनिभर्सल हो. युनिभर्सबाट युनिभर्सल. Word universal adjective, universe noun. Question number 3. I'm going to write down some differences between them. Question number 3. Distinguish between the following. A number, geocentric and heliocentric theory. Geocentric theory and heliocentric theory. See, geocentric theory and heliocentric theory. Just by the word geocentric theory, heliocentric theory, meaning geo means earth, centric means center, theory means law or principle. Helio means sun, centric means center, theory means law. Number 1, see, geocentric theory. According to this theory, all objects in the universe revolve around the earth. Here geo means earth. Earth like center मानेर घुम्ने. See, earth like center means this is the earth. All objects revolve around it. Heliocentric, sun like center मानेको. See, according to this theory, what happens? According to this theory, all objects except stars revolve around the sun. The sun is the center, and all all objects revolve around it. Which is true and which is false? It is an old and wrong concept. After the discovery, after the invention of Galileo Galilei's telescope, this theory was proved to be wrong. अर्थात् इटालीका वैज्ञानिक ग्यालिलियो ग्यालिलीले टेलिस्कोपको आविष्कार गरिसकेपछि यो चाहिँ गल्ती भयो. बाहिरबाट हेर्दा हामीले कस्तो लाग्छ, पृथ्वी ठुलो छ, सबैले पृथ्वीलाई घुमिरहेको जस्तो लाग्छ. द अर्थ सिम्स टु बी भेरी बिग. All objects are very small, even the sun, all objects, sun, moon, planets, other planets, stars, meteors, meteorites, clouds, all revolve around the earth. According to this theory, the earth is very big, others are very small, they revolve around the earth. It is an old and wrong concept or theory. It is a new and right concept. This sentence is not in any book, but you can write it. See, geocentric. The earth is the center. All bodies revolve around the earth. सबैले अर्थलाई घुम्छन्. The sun is the center and all bodies revolve around the sun. It is an old and wrong concept. Actually, it is wrong. It seems to be right, but it is wrong. ठीक जस्तो लाग्छ तर यो गलत हो. गल्ती छ. It is a new and right concept. Why? The sun is actually 110 times bigger than the earth. Earth भन्दा sun ठुलो छ. टाढा 15 करोड किलोमिटर टाढा भएकोले त्यो सानो देखिएको हो. नत्र अर्थ भन्दा सन धेरै ठुलो छ. त्यसैले यो सबैले अर्थलाई घुम्छन्, जियोसेन्ट्रिक. रङ. सबैले सनलाई घुम्छन् भन्ने सिद्धान्त हिलियोसेन्ट्रिक. यो राइट एन्ड मोडर्न कन्सेप्ट. ए नम्बर. बी नम्बर स्मल जी एन्ड क्यापिटल जी. B number small g and capital G. See, is the last for today. Small g. It is the acceleration due to gravity and varies means differs. Varies from place to place or planet to planet. This one, it is the force of attraction between any two bodies of masses 1 kg is placed at a distance of 1 meter. See, 1 kg 1 meter. If you forget the definition, small g, it is the acceleration due to gravity, means Earth's force or force of the planet. This is the acceleration produced, and this is a vector quantity. It is a vector quantity. Its value is 9.8 meter per second square on the earth. On the earth, general value 9.8, pole 9.83, equator 9.78. 1.67 meter per second square on moon, 25.1 meter per second square on Jupiter. It is a scalar quantity which remains constant in the universe. Its value is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. See, small g, it is the acceleration due to gravity and varies from place to place or planet to planet. Capital G, it is the force of attraction between any two bodies in the universe. Masses should be 1 kg 1 meter apart. 1 kg मास भएको दुईटा वस्तुलाई 1 मिटर पर राख्दा जति बल त्यहाँ उत्पन्न हुन्छ त्यो चाहिँ युनिभर्सल ग्राभिटेशनल कन्स्टेन्ट. इसको मीनिंग यूनिवर्सल ग्रेविटेशनल कांस्टेंट फुल फॉर्म, but definition is force of attraction between any two bodies of masses 1 kg is placed at a distance of 1 meter. It is a vector quantity. It is a quantity which has both magnitude or value and direction, and it varies from place to place. On the earth 9.8 meter per second square, on the equator 9.78 meter per second square, pole 9.83 meter per second square, moon 1.67 meter per second square, Jupiter 25.1 meter per second square. It means on the moon the falling body falls or the velocity increases at the rate of 1.67 meter per second every second. इसको meaning चाहिँ 25.1 meter per second square on Jupiter means the velocity of a falling object on the Jupiter surface increases at the rate of 25.1 meter per second in 1 second. अर्थात् जुपिटर को सतहबाट एउटा बडीलाई यसरी खसाल्यो भने त्यसको स्पिड 1 सेकेन्डमा 25.1 मिटर पर सेकेन्डले बढ्दै जान्छ. 9.8 the velocity of a falling object on the earth increases at the rate of 9.8 meter per second every second. Capital G, universal gravitational constant. It is a scalar quantity. It has magnitude but no direction, and it is always positive, which remains constant or same everywhere in the universe. Its value is always constant whether on Jupiter, Moon, planet or any other planets. 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. So there are some of the differences between small g and capital G. Other differences will be written later on.